Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's a special day for me today because it's my birthday. I am so excited for this day. Like, I've literally waited all year for this day and it's finally here and I'm so excited. I'm really excited to share this day with you and I'm going to make the most out of this day. Well, for this video, get ready for my birthday reflections and also an epic unboxing, because trust me, you're not ready for the gifts I would be unboxing. I wish I could actually include bits of the birthday celebration itself, but I'm making this video early in the morning. I want it to go up before anything starts. So right now, nothing has started and I really want to upload this even without editing. So pardon whatever honest mistake you would find on this video, which I wouldn't cut out. I may come on live to carry you along for the birthday celebration, but even if I get carried away and I don't do that, because why? There is food, which can be very distracting. So if I don't do that, I would post short videos or long videos with a brief summary of what happened in the birthday celebration itself. For my birthday this year, I am so grateful for family and friends. They made this year very special for me. Like, they were always there. In fact, I never let them be because I kept talking about my birthday whenever I get any opportunity to do that. And also my subscribers here on this channel. I know whenever I go on live stream, I've been bombarding everybody with my birthday and now it's finally here. Thank you so much to all of you who kept sending me birthday wishes. Thank you so much to everyone who has shared in my excitement. I really appreciate. I do not take all of that for granted. Okay, now birthday gratitude aside, I would like to reflect on the last 365 days and for you to understand why I have been so excited about this year's birthday, like this particular year. I've never really been this excited about any birthday, but this one, even though I've got nothing massive planned like some other birthdays, but I'm just filled with gratitude this year. And I've just been excited about it all this while. Gosh, where do I even begin? Whoever made the quote, "When there is life, there is hope," that person did not lie, because this last 365 days, I have literally been a walking empty shell of myself. I kept bouncing in between different issues all at once in most cases. And these issues affected both my physical well-being, my mental well-being, and even my financial well-being. For my physical health, well, I started stress eating, and before I could catch myself, I had added multiple stones, which I know will be hard to shed, but I'm a bit more relaxed now, so I'm definitely gonna be looking into that. Also, I noticed I started getting cross-eyed. I was super stressed from what I was going through. I noticed the cross eye when I was on live stream here on YouTube and I was reading comments and watching my face on the screen. I noticed my eyes getting crossed while I was reading the comments and I was wondering, when did this start? Like, I've never been cross-eyed. No one in my family is cross-eyed. So I know I use glasses, but I've never experienced myself getting cross-eyed. So my doctor said it's stress. And well, recently I've not really been noticing any cross eyes. So I believe because I'm a bit more relaxed now, I believe it's gone. I know it's gone, in fact. Also, my skin started breaking out massively. I basically had no time for skincare. It was a lot for me to moisturize my skin even after having my baby. It was actually that bad. I started getting dark areas on my face, dark under eyes. Gosh, I wasn't even sleeping. My skin was drying out. My skin was, oh my goodness, like it's okay. As for my mental health, in fact, at a point I completely lost my mind. I started getting anxious all the time. I started feeling depressed. I started feeling frustrated and alone. I was making rash decisions and regretting them instantly. And also, I catch myself staring into space all the time. Sometimes I get so lost, someone has to like what's going on? You're not here anymore. And I begin to gather myself again. It was so bad. Words alone cannot do justice to the feeling. At the point I felt it was the whole world against me. I just, well, as for my financial state, oh god, like my finances nosedived. I don't even want to go in there because that one was no. But in all these things I was going through, I still had to show up each day, smile, act like nothing is going on, be there for family, be there for friends, carrying on with my life. But behind the scene, I was getting swallowed. It was a whole lot for me. However, I'm grateful to God. It's gradually becoming a thing of the past. Like, I've surmounted majority of the issues, and the few that are still coming up, I really see it's victorious for me. So I'm happy I'm in a better place now. Like, I feel better now. I am very grateful to God. I'm in a better place now. Okay, enough sub-story, because remembering all of that is getting me very emotional right now, which is not the plan for this video at all. Now, let's get to the fun parts. Unboxing my gifts. I got some amazing gifts for myself. I'm not gonna lie, I practically emptied my account to get these gifts. But when I remember all I've been through this past 365 days, I just pat myself on the back and tell myself, you know what? You deserve these gifts. Even if it means using all your money, tomorrow we start afresh, all over again. Because when there is life, of course, there is hope of making more money. For my gifts, I got them myself, but I'm still very excited, like super excited to put them all back in the bag and bring them out one after the other to admire them and remind myself that this is for all you've gone through this year. It's down here. Birthday Princess. I particularly love this bag because it just speaks volume for me. I'm going to be showing you starting every bit that I got. I'll be starting from the least one. Remember, I said I wasn't taking my skincare seriously and my skin was breaking out. What's better way to get back on track than getting a full face care set? Like, I don't joke with skincare and stuff like that. So I was not happy with myself, watching myself be the way I was skin wise. So let me show you one after the other what's there. Full face set. Initially I ordered the Bio Aqua complete set, but it's gonna take 2 to 3 months to arrive. So I'm like, no, where's the fun in that? Now that I'm still motivated to get started, I had to start somewhere. So I had to get CeraVe and CN products. I got, oh, where are the packs? I think they're downstairs because I had to shoot them individually. I wanted to make reviews of the products later on. So I think the packs are downstairs. Face wash, face scrub from CN. Massive. Very, very, very nice. I love it. I love the brand. Sunscreen. Trust me, when you are battling with dark areas and you're using any product, sunscreen to the rescue. Like, it cannot be underestimated. Face sheets. I got the hyaluronic acid one, which is actually very good when working on dark areas on the skin. Very, very important. I cannot recommend hyaluronic acid enough. And then CeraVe Day and Night face cream. The packs are downstairs. I cannot go down. Day and Night face cream from CeraVe. The face serum. The micellar water. Dark areas be gone. And also I got aloe vera gel. You guys, I cannot recommend this enough. If you have dark areas you are battling with, this works magic for that. This works very well for dark areas. Last but not the least, on the skincare gift set, I got nail polish. I know, not too big, but I want to feel, I just want to, I don't know why I even got it, but it's been a long time I wanted to have dark nail polish, black color precisely, and here it is. So that's it for the skincare gift set. I'm just gonna grab this one up because this one couldn't fit into the bag, so it's separate. Ring lights. Come on. Like, it's been a long time I've been telling myself I'm gonna get myself ring lights. I've got tripod, so I didn't need to get it again. This one is very bright. Like the one I'm currently using is not very bright, but this one, it's massive. It's crazy. I love it. You're gonna see what this looks like in subsequent videos I'll be making, like the output it gives. It's big. Let me see if I can get it out of the pack. It's actually very big. Lightweight, but massive, like giving massive lights. So for gift 3, I'm just gonna grab this one from here. Can you guess? Can you guess? Guys, I told myself even if I don't deserve anything this birthday, I deserve this laptop. My own laptop has been like about 10 years now, and this laptop lags badly. It's that bad. In fact, I cannot even use it with the battery anymore. Like, it won't boot properly if the battery is in. So I have to use it without the battery, and you know what that means? I have to be careful when I'm charging it, because once I shake the charger, it trips off. I keep losing my work, and it's already a lot of struggle for me, so I deserve a new laptop. And you know what, this brand, I actually used to think this brand is odd because I'm not very familiar with it, but when I looked at the specifications and used it a bit, gosh, this is a machine. The speed of this laptop is crazy. Let me see if I can get it's crazy. This laptop is for gamers. Come on, I'm going to be making a review of this laptop in another video. Apart from the speed, the laptop is very slim. Like, it's not as heavy as mine, and it's quite lightweight. I love it. I'm going to review this, and I'm telling myself, even if I got nothing, this is massive for me already. And last but not the least, you guys, where is the pack? It's an iPhone 15 Pro Max. You guys, I finished picking this out and I asked myself, is this really worth it? Because functionality wise, my current phone beats this one. The camera is mad. And if you haven't guessed yet, it's the phone I'm using for this video because I couldn't resist the temptation to use it. I'm like, it's my birthday, I need the video to stand out. So yeah, but when it comes to functionality, my current phone works. It delivers top notch. Like, I use my phone to do everything. I can do almost everything I can do on my laptop. I'm not really an Apple fan, but because I want to start doing camera work a lot, so I said, okay, would be a great option. This is gonna be my go-to for anything I'm gonna do regarding camera. So that's it for the birthday gifts. And also there's food, lots of food that needs to be eaten. This is actually the first vlog I've done on this channel. Please let me know your thoughts. I really hope I did well, because at the point I was like, what do I know I want to say when I start the video? I've never really freestyled on a video, so this is just, let me know how I did, and if you would love for me to do more videos like this, please do well to let me know. Thank you so much for celebrating this birthday with me. It makes me feel so special. Like, I enjoy in a special way this birthday because of you guys. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support and the encouragements, and everyone who has been wishing me right from the very first day I talked about it. Thank you so much. Do well to like this video if you haven't, and if you have, thank you so much. Also subscribe, because I've got content like this, more content like this coming. This is the end of this vlog. Permits me to go get ready for my birthday celebration. I already know it's going to be exciting. I'll try my best to carry you along. So I'm going to be running off now to go get ready for my day and start my birthday celebration. So thank you for everything. Thank you. I cannot explain my gratitude, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.